Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about the One UI 7 update for the Samsung Galaxy A34. So the One UI 7 is on the line and it will come along with the Android 15 update. And if we talk about the updates, so the Samsung Galaxy A34 just received another update of Circle to Search. The Circle to Search feature was previously only limited to the flagship series, and now Samsung is releasing it on the mid-range smartphones as well. And now if we talk about the One UI 7 update, so from a website called SciMobile, we have a list of devices which will be getting the One UI 7 update, and our A34 is included in that list. So that means the One UI 7 update will be coming on the Samsung Galaxy A34 as well. And now if we talk about that, what new will be seen with this One UI 7 update, so we will get to see some smoother animations while opening and closing of apps, and secondly we will get a new redesigned control panel. As we know that with the One UI 6 update, the control panel was completely redesigned, and now with the One UI 7 update, it is rumored to be redesigned again. Next up, we will get to see some smoother animations while opening and closing of the apps. With the One UI 6 update, the animations got very smooth, and now I am very hyped to see what we will get to see with the One UI 7 update. Also, there is a big change that is rumored to be seen with the One UI 7 update, and that is of battery health. Similar to iOS, you will now get to see the battery health of your device, which will be very useful for you as it will tell you that when it is the right time to replace your battery. And with the One UI 7 update, you will get to see some new icons of applications like clock, settings, gallery, and Samsung Internet. You can get the early access of the clock application of One UI 7 update along with the clock widgets. To learn that how to update your clock application along with these widgets, I have already made a video on that, so do check that out with the link in the description. Also, if you want to check out some top 5 Galaxy AI features, so the link will be mentioned of that video as well, so do check that out as well. And if we talk about the release date of One UI 7 update, so the One UI 7 beta version was to be released in the month of August, and there is no beta version yet. And now according to the new rumors, the beta version will be seen in the month of September. And with the One UI 7 beta version, we will get to see that what new features are coming in the One UI 7 update. And obviously after the One UI 7 beta testing, we will get to see the official One UI 7 update. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe.